We're having a relaxing stop over here at SM CDO. The last 3 to 4 days we've been in a property checking here in Cagayan de Oro. I'm here at anong pangalan ba to? Fat Chair Restaurant? Fat Chef Restaurant. Ito yung setup nila. And we're having our favorite na merienda, which is yung halo-halo. So yung so far, no, this is our last day circulating Cagayan de Oro. Now we're here at SM Cagayan de Oro Uptown Mall. So dalawang SM sa Cagayan de Oro, you have SM Downtown. Ito naman is sa Uptown. Mamaya kasi we'll be having a driving verification doon sa site in Barangay Kanituan, Barangay Pagatpat, saka Barangay Baikingon. These are expansion areas here in Cagayan de Oro. So bago tayo balik doon, no? Palampasin natin konti yung init. Magmerienda muna tayo. We're having snacks here in Fat Chef Restaurant at SM Uptown. Sarap po, tingnan nyo. After this, medyo refresh naman tayo, no? Yesterday we had a long drive going to the town of Getagum. Unahan pa ng Lagindingan going Iligan for another property check. Property site analysis. Okay? Merienda muna tayo.